Hello, this is Dan from DreamYard Visuals, and you are in a History Builder After Effects template. First, before start working on this project, go to this project settings. First, color settings depth should be in 16 bits per channel. Also, blend color using 1.0 gamma option should be on. After we did this, we have correct color in our project. Next, go to Customize Me Composition. Here you have all scenes, all different scenes you can use in our project. These scenes and duplicates of these scenes you can find here in Project Manager in named folders like this one. Just open this folder and you see folders with all scenes we have here. Next, go to scene to customize it. Let's start with title scene 01 start. Open it, and here we have a bunch of layers. First, go to media holder 1 and add photo here, like this one. We back to our composition and see our picture was added. Also, we have text 1 and text 2 layers. This one text is yellow one, and text 2 is white one. Go to change text 1, for example. Here we have a bunch of layers, but we need this one, first text. It's our History Builder text. Change to your text. Okay. Here we have, if text will be wider or longer, we have this transition layer. You see it. We can move it to align with our text. If text will be much more longer, you can just scale it like this, Just make it a little bit bigger to be aligned with our text. Okay, back to title scene 1. Yes, our text updated, and go to second text. Same trick, first text, choose it and type second text, like this. Okay, also if text will be bigger, if text will be bigger, you can adjust this transition layer and make it bigger to cover all area. Okay, so here we got updated text. As for time extending of this layer, we have this end control layer, which defines length of our scene. So start of this end control layer defines start of end animation of this scene. If you click here, you see it starts to disappear. So just move this end control layer longer, and you see it will last longer. We have okay, if you have these issues like white stripes, back to media holder, open scale with S and make a little bit bigger your photo. It should be update, and yes, you have no issues anymore. Also note that better timings for these scenes are from 4 seconds, like when it's set in this way as for end control layer, or like maybe 9 or 10 seconds, but if you will make it more, it will also work, but it will be more static, and you will have some issues on the edges. So it's better to have these timings. But if you want to use these timings like bigger, and you want to get rid of these issues, choose BG holder one, click S button, or just unfold this menu, transform, choose scale, and make it bigger to align with edges, and you will get rid of these issues. Okay, for example, we set this scene for 6 seconds long. Back to Customize Me menu, and you see what our timeline marker sets here. This defines, this aligns with end control layer, start of end control. So choose all these layers and align with this timeline marker. You will see that animation will go in the way it should go. Also, don't forget to leave some space of this layer under next scene. Also, go to next composition with dates. So we have one more option here. It's a date. Go to it. Find this date what we will upload, and change it. Let's say for 1/1/1911. To update, yes. Note that when you update, some numbers might move, and you have issues like this. You see that our line isn't aligned with number. To fix this, go to BG holder 1, open it. Here you have a line composition, and just move it right to align with our number. You can move it with arrows, or open this menu, transform, and move position like this. If you change position, you see it also moves. So in our case, it's around these numbers. Okay, then go to media holder, add picture to this composition, align with something like this, and you see it worked. Back to big data scene 01, and go to text 1, change your text, for example this, and it works. Also set end control layer, align, and move to next scene, and this will be applied to every scene. One more option we have in this project is related to these kind of scenes. It's data info scenes. Let's jump into it. Here we have additional option. In BG holder 1, we have custom shape. What we can do with it? Make line 2 invisible and custom shape 1 visible. Here we have 2 layers. Just don't delete them. What we can do? We can add custom shapes here. It can be your shape with PNG, or you can create it by yourself. Let's create some star here. I don't know, like this one. Move it under these layers. It's a little bit laggy, but it should get a little bit. Okay. When we back to BG holder 1, it should appear, but it's wrong. It has wrong. Okay, we missed something. Okay, we missed fill option. We'll fix this. Oh no, okay. This one shape should be white color. Just forgot it. Okay. All shapes you want to use in this with this option should be white color. Go to BG holder 1. Oh yeah, and now it worked. Now it works. Add here one more photo. Transform to back to our option. Yeah, you see, now we have here custom shape. So that's all options we have here. Also, if you want to render, we have two options here. We have two pre-made compositions: Full HD output, it's here, and 4K output. If your final video will be longer, you just prolong these layers and render from Full HD output or 4K output, depends on which resolution you need. So to render, you just click File, Export, Add to Render Queue, and here just set options you need to your output. So that's it. Thank you for purchasing.